All right, this is Mr. McMurray, and we're singing the school blues here. One thing you need to know before you take this test, I forgot that it is not on the worksheet that we've covered so far. So there are sections. When we cut the body into sections to look at pictures, okay, these are some examples of those, okay? You could slice someone right down the middle, so you're slicing them into our right and left sides. So the two sides would be more or less identical to each other. This is a side view of the body down here at the bottom. Let me see my thing right in here. You can see the backbone, and here's the stomach and stuff. So it's a side view. Okay, so if you slice through the middle to make a section like that, that is called a sagittal. Whoa. S-A-G-I-T. Ooh, I don't know what happened there. Sorry, two T's. I don't know where the little slash got there. Okay, and an A and an L. Sagittal. S-A-G-I-T-T-A-L. And this was if you slice this right down the middle here, and you had two identical sides, basically, the right and left side. Okay, that's would be a sagittal section. Okay, all right. Now, on the other hand, we could do kind of like a guillotine coming down and slicing our body into our front half that would fall over in our back half, or anterior, front side, and posterior, the back side. Okay, if it slices like that, you end up with a front side, so you should be able to remember that one, maybe a little easier. And it is a, let me find my cursor. It's the only problem on our right. I can't find my cursor. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, that is called a frontal, just remember, because it I guess you could think of full frontal nudity, but you wouldn't be, it'd be your insides. So if they slash through the middle of your body and look at that, would be a frontal. Most things where we show your body systems and stuff like that would be a frontal section there, showing your body would look like if you cut it open from the inside like that. Okay, the last one is this one again. Okay, this one is if you slice this in the waist, and so you have a top and a bottom, or a superior and an inferior section. Okay, a top and a bottom section. All right, and so this is just a side view, so you can see the side view of where their stomach and some of that stuff is. All right, you can see where their stomach is, and the backbone cuts through there, and various organs here. Okay, that section is going from side to side, or trans. Trans means across. Okay, so trans section. Don't know why it's doing those little lines off to the side every so often. A transverse. I'm sorry. I got worried about the lines and I forgot what I was writing. Okay, transverse. V-E-R-S-E, just like verse if you're writing bad poetry. Okay, so transverse, so you're cutting across from side to side, that would be a transverse section, okay? And those three sections will be on the test, so you may want to review this a little bit before you take your quiz today. All right, so hopefully you've done that before you take your quiz, and good luck on that. The rest of them will be the pictures. You need to know those pictures that were on the directional worksheet and be able to identify what word goes with them, or I may give you examples of definition of it, and you have to match the definition to the word, or I may give you an example, like your nose is medial to your ears, okay, and that would be an example of medial, okay, or I could say your ears are what to your nose, and you would say lateral because they're off to the side, okay, so that kind of thing. So you need to know that definition as well as recognize the pictures and, of course, these three sections. Sagittal, think S for sides, you get two identical sides. Frontal, which means you have a front side and a back side, so it slashes you in the front and back side. And transverse, which is across the middle. All right, like that. All right, that would not be a good one, but it would show your vertebrae and your blood vessels and trachea and all that stuff going up your throat and esophagus. All right, but that would be a transverse because you're cutting across from side to side. All right, good luck. Enjoy the quiz, and we will talk to you later.